Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. So here we are, and we're in like a living room, family room, and so there is a TV in here. It's a very comfortable, warm, cozy room. So what we ended up doing in here is we removed the existing wood fireplace, all the mantle, the brick, and then we ended up converting it and updating it and putting some bookcases, new fireplace mantle with tile going around it, and an area for the TV. So I'm going to start here. So on either side of the fireplace are two equally sized bookcases, which is quite nice. They're painted the same color or very similar to the same color as the wall. And again, these are all sprayed, so these are not painted. So Barry, our cabinet maker, would spray these in his shop and then install all this. It's quite nice because everything is uniform. So we have 3 doors on the bottom with storage, and then our bookshelves, which we can certainly put, and the client can put a lot of books in there. And then as we progress through into the fireplace, it's a really nice, very nice focal point to the room now. The tiling certainly looks great. Client again picked it, knew exactly what she wanted with the mantle that Barry designed and built. And again, it's sprayed, so they use a latex, not a lacquer anymore, but the finish on it and the sheen, it looks incredible. Obviously our mantle here, which is nice. So if you had a brick fireplace with an oak mantle or something similar to this, you can take all that out and basically put this in. And again, electric fireplace, they really didn't need a gas because they don't need the heat in here, and this throws off enough heat for this room. And obviously the wood burning now, it certainly loses a lot of heat. So electric's actually not a bad way to go. So when we come back, I'm just going to take you over to the other side and show you the TV and how the mechanics all worked over there. Welcome back to Renovation Time. So one other thing I should mention in here is the crown molding. So what we did is we ran the cabinetry all the way up to the ceiling, and then we ran the crown all the way around the room so it's all consistent. And again, it just gives it that nice little finished product, and it certainly makes the room. It's the little finishing touches a lot of times in these renovations that make the biggest difference. So over into this area here, quite a nice idea. So we have 3 doors on the bottom, and then we're going to have our electronics on the shelf. But the really nice feature in here, because the way the room is laid out, if the TV was here like it is now, you'd have to sit in one area or one corner of the room in order to see the TV. So what the client did is they put a swivel on it, so you can actually pull it straight out and you can turn it any way you want. So really nice idea. It's got an HDMI cable into it, so Access Electric came in, hooked all the electronics up for us. But again, when you're doing it, consider something like that, because if it is a small, narrow room, it's a nice feature that you can be sitting anywhere in the room, enjoying the fireplace and watching TV. So hopefully that'll help you with your next renovation. And until next time, be safe and have fun.
And in Kitchen and Bath Center, call or visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street, just west of Braley Drive.